It's 3 a.m. You get an alert from Google. Your project may be compromised. Your GCP billing just spiked. Someone logged into your server as root. You're alone. You're panicking. You don't know what to do. This is the reality for solo developers facing a security breach. There are no SOC teams, no security engineers on call. Just you, a wall of logs, and a ticking clock. Meet NekoGuard, your AI incident response partner. Let's see it in action. We'll paste a real breach scenario: unauthorized root login, stolen credentials, a malicious script running as root, and a GCP billing spike. No VPS connection needed. Just drop the logs and hit Analyze. NekoGuard begins its 4-phase analysis, powered by Gemini 3.5 Flash. Phase 1, Wide Scan. NekoGuard broadly identifies anomalies while keeping the user calm. Notice the NeuroState meter on the left. Dopamine is elevated here, tuning Gemini toward optimistic, reassuring output. Phase 2, Judgment. Serotonin and GABA rise. Gemini shifts into a cautious, inhibition-dominant mode, carefully weighing irreversible risks before recommending action. Phase 3, Forensic Analysis. Dopamine drops. Acetylcholine spikes. Gemini now operates at maximum technical precision. Attack vector, breach path, exposed credentials. Pure facts, zero emotion. Phase 4, Recovery. Gemini returns to a warm, empathetic mode, delivering the final verdict and guiding the user through the first steps. Verdict: Active breach, CAT protocol activated. Malicious IPs are blocked. SSH logs are collected. Credentials are scanned. And a revocation checklist appears: exactly what needs to be revoked, where it was found, and why it's at risk. Now the user takes over. Each step requires explicit confirmation. NekoGuard never acts destructively without you. Revoke the keys, remove the backdoors, lock down the server. Step by step, together. What makes NekoGuard unique is the NeuroState Engine, a neurotransmitter-inspired state machine that shapes Gemini's behavior across each phase. It's not just switching prompts. The values: dopamine, serotonin, GABA, acetylcholine, are physically computed using an interaction matrix based on research into attractor behavior in LLM metacognition. The result: each phase feels genuinely different: calm, then cautious, then precise, then warm. NekoGuard is live on Google Cloud Run, powered by Gemini 3.5 Flash and Dynatrace MCP. Try it yourself. Paste your logs or click Load Sample to see the full flow. No solo developer should face a breach alone. NekoGuard, your AI incident response partner.